Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will talk about the palette. I have a plastic box. You can take a food plastic box. The main condition is a tight lid. The box must be hermetically sealed. Such a palette is a good solution for acrylic or tempera paints. At the bottom of the box we put a material that absorbs water well. It can be serviette like mine, or it can be a normal cloth. Add the water. Thanks for this layer inside the box, the required humidity level will be maintained. Now take the paper for the baking. Put it on the box. And we can add the colors on this paper. After the painting, we can close the box. The paint will remain for several days. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.